All right, guys. So this is the folding hand cart. And can I just say, if you guys can see how thin this is, it is incredible. Look how thin that is and compact. Like, it's impressive. So first off, you have the bungee straps here. That's gonna be the first thing you wanna take off. So you just lift them up like that. Go ahead, pull them off. Once you have that off, wow. All right, guys, now I want to show you from a better angle here. So what you do is you pull this down and it pops in place just like that. And now you're ready to use it. So you can go ahead and put your heavy objects on here. And I'll show you guys because you can adjust the handle. So we take a look up here. You can press in here. And this allows you to lift up the handle. It's a little tough doing it with one hand. So press in here and it allows you to adjust it. So you can actually lift it up pretty high, press in, lower it. You also have different ways of holding. So you can hold it at different positions, however, which gives you great. So if you're at like a awkward angle and you gotta like make a turn, you can grab it certain ways. So overall, very nice. Yeah, I like this a lot, guys. This is gonna be great for heavy objects that we bring in. And if you're wondering how it closes, just lift it up and pull it in like that and you're ready to go. Grab your strap. And this is great to use if you're doing like refrigerators or stuff that you want to strap around the object. So you put it around and then you strap it on to the actual unit here. Overall, very nice.